What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today, I'm going to be making a quick unboxing and review about ito sa kakarating ng power bank. This is actually called the Goodyear Magnetic Wireless Power Bank. And ito po yung version na natin ito. It's the black 10,000 milliamp hour option. Pero may kasing 5,000 milliamp hours. So, I selected the 10,000 milliamp hours kasi I feel like mas fit ko siya sa daily usage. Tapos, at least twice mo siya ma-charge. At least kung gagamitin siya dito sa iPhone na 14 Pro Max. So, let's do the quick unboxing po. So, actually, kanina nakapagsin ko na po itong power bank. Just for the sake of the unboxing, I will do it again. So, ito po yung nasa loob ng ating package. So, dito po tayo, meron po tayo ng USB-C port. It's actually the USB-C port, as you can see here. And meron po tayong manual. It's in English po. English po yung manual ng Goodyear na power bank. And here's the power bank itself. So, ito po yung design. Nakikita nyo may Goodyear po na logo at the back. And you can see this is the LED parang indication ng level ng battery. And as you can see, it's fast charging. So, ito po yung facing towards the back of the phone. So, naka-magnetic po siya charging. So, I'll set this aside for now. Let's see what else is in the box. You can also see na meron po siyang included na itong parang ring. Ito po is for those phones na may supported magnetic charging. You can put this at the back of the phone para kahit pa paano may nag-control yung ating wireless or laptop feature ng power bank. So, going back to this power bank, actually medyo maganda po yung nakarating sa akin na color kasi kataling po siya ng dark colored na iPhone natin. So, as you can see, parang po siyang indicator dito. Hindi po siya automatically mag-turn on. You have to press the on and off button. Kapag na-press mo po yan siya, tsaka lang po nabibigyan yung ating LED na indicator. At hindi masyadong kita sa camera pero meron siyang 3 buttons or 3 parang circular mini lights pa rin on beneath. So, as you can see, meron din po siya yung Type-C na charger. Whenever you want to use this power bank as parang wired charging, you can use it to any USB-C device that you have. So, next po is i-try po natin siya na i-stick sa ating phone. Alright. You can see it snapped. So, nag-charge na rin po yan sa iPhone na side natin. So, I'm just gonna test the gun kasi strong po yung magnetic. Properly aligned naman po siya sa ito. So, let's see how strong the magnet is. So far, hindi po siya mabilis na mahulog. Unlike yung iba mga power bank, super po siya. This one is really sturdy. So, whatever activity, whether kailangan ng hero or you need some top-up na battery while you're on the go, you're sa movie, hindi po magiging problema. Dahil reliable po yung kanyang magnetic na feature. So, hindi po dapat ikatakot kung mahulog yung ating power bank. So, huwag natin tanggalin. Nag-iisa mo lang dito siyang matanggal based dito na reconnect, so it won't be a problem. Good thing is, medyo manipis po yung case ko. So, I think it will be a problem kapag sobrang thick na ng case. It might be an issue dun sa magnetic feature ng power bank. But, yeah, it's once again charging. So far with the charging speed po, I can see na parang every 2 or 3 minutes nag-i-increase na 1% yung ating battery. And in-observe ko din siya, if ever nagkakaroon ng heat both sa phone and dito sa power bank kung ano yung charging natin. Pero so far, wala pa naman ako na-experience so far na any heating issues or unusual na pag-unit ng ating power bank and also yung phone when nag-charge tayo. So para po sa inyo na nag-consider na bumili ng itong power bank nito, you can select from these different variants. Meron po silang as yung nasabi ko kanina, meron po siyang 5,000 or 10,000 milliamp hours na capacity and meron po siyang iba't ibang color. So meron tayong white, gray, and meron din po tayong blue, and of course yung parang sa akin yung black. And nabili ko lang to at magkano na to? Around 700 or 800 pesos sa Lazada na app. So if you're considering this power bank, I think it's a great buy. Wala pa kasi masyadong nag-upload ng ganitong features or ganitong product sa YouTube. So I'm thinking of making an upload regarding this. I hope makatulong pa sa mga tao na nag-consider sa power bank nito. See if they can fit on their needs. So yun po, quick natin na review for the Digital Power Bank. See you again in my next videos, and please hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoy watching the video. It will help me a lot. Salamat po. Thanks and